Ever wonder what's really going on behind the scenes of that cool new AI art generator everyone's talking about, Pixverse AI? First things first, let's dive into the nitty-gritty, their privacy policy and terms of service. These are the rule books, and knowing them is key. Look for sections about data collection, usage, and storage. Pay close attention to what information Pixverse AI gathers from you. Is it just your email? Or are they tracking your activity too? Next up, data security. How does Pixverse AI protect your information from hackers and breaches? See if they mention encryption, secure servers, or any third-party security certifications. Strong security measures are a big green flag. Now, let's check the public's pulse. What are other users saying? Look for reviews and comments regarding privacy concerns or unexpected behavior. Also, research any potential controversies or ethical debates surrounding Pixverse AI or similar AI tools. Plagiarism can be a real issue with AI art generators. Run a reverse image search on any artwork you create using Pixverse AI to see if it's unintentionally similar to existing copyrighted material. So, is Pixverse AI safe? The answer depends on your comfort level and how you use the platform. By doing your research and being aware of the potential risks, you can make an informed decision about whether or not to dive in. Happy creating responsibly.